Simply drink this before sleep and wake up with less weight every day. This powerful weight loss drink will help put your metabolism in a fat-burning mode and you will begin to feel the fat melt off your body in no time. Okay. Let's proceed. If you have been trying to lose weight without success, you really need to try this drink. Note, please refrain from consuming this drink if you are on blood thinners, high blood pressure or diabetes medications until you consult with your doctor just to be safe. Drink this before sleep and wake up with less weight every day. Here is a recipe that will burn belly fat quickly. This is an overnight liquid bomb to be taken before going to sleep and will help you at weight loss. This great drink is delicious and healthy at the same time and a great solution for burning the stubborn belly fat. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 cucumber, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, a bunch of parsley or cilantro, 1/2 a glass of water. Preparation and consumption. Take a clean blender jar. Cut the cucumber into small pieces and put them into the jar. Squeeze juice from the lemon into the jar. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger. Add a bunch of parsley or cilantro. Add half glass of water. Blend it very nicely to make this drink. Drink this juice every night before bed. Need a plan? If you are having trouble losing weight or kicking your sugar addiction, the Leptitox system would be a really great fit for you. The system is a detox from all sugar for 21 days, as well as simple carbohydrates, which also act like sugar in the body. This detox will not only help you lose an average of 7 to 10 pounds in the first week, but it is designed to help you break through any weight loss plateau that you are currently suffering from. If you are ready to make some changes in your life, this is the only place you should start. We will teach you exactly how to make the necessary changes in your diet and your lifestyle and how to keep them beyond the diet.